In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma designs to Wix Studio. Whether you're a designer looking to seamlessly bring your creative visions into a website format, or simply someone interested in enhancing your digital presence, this guide is essential. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Wix website. This is your starting point, and it's as simple as entering wix.com into your browser. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, just enter your credentials and get ready to dive into your projects. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Here, you can either open an existing project or start from scratch and create a new site. This flexibility is great, especially if you're starting fresh with a new design concept that you've been working on in Figma. Now, take a look at the top left of your dashboard. You'll want to click there, which will lead you to various options. From this menu, navigate to Tools. This section is crucial as it houses all the functionalities you need for importing designs. Once in the Tools area, find the option labeled Import from Figma. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to paste your Figma file URL. To do this, head over to your Figma account. Copy the file link, and then paste it into the designated area in Wix. After pasting your link, hit Connect. This action establishes a link between Figma and Wix, bringing your design directly into the Wix environment. It's a straightforward step, but incredibly powerful as it streamlines your workflow. With your design now imported, you'll see an option to Apply Styles to Site. Click this to integrate your Figma styles and aesthetics into your Wix site. This ensures that your visual design is not just a static file, but a living, breathing website component. However, the process doesn't end there. While Wix does a fantastic job maintaining style integrity, you'll want to dive into the Wix Studio and adjust or customize any imported elements. This is your chance to fine-tune the design, ensuring it works perfectly in a web context. You might want to change some text, adjust images, or rearrange elements to better fit your final vision. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on exporting Figma designs to Wix Studio. With these steps, you can bring your designs to life, creating dynamic and engaging websites that capture the essence of your creative work. Remember, the key is in the details, so take your time to adjust and customize every aspect to make your site truly unique. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!